Hello, I'd like to demonstrate how we're going to be submitting our HTML files in using Jupyter Notebook. So I have some sample code here for some geospatial analysis, and I'm first going to show you how to insert an R Markdown cell so that you can generate HTML text for when you're answering basic homework questions, and then I'll show you how to convert your entire file to HTML for submission. So I have my code here, everything's working fine, and now I would like to answer some questions about my work before I turn this into an R Markdown file. So I have decided I'm going to put my answers at the bottom. So I'm going to come down here to the end of my file and I'm going to insert another block, and I'm going to change this cell to a Markdown cell. Now I can type in plain text. And if you'd like to do a header, you can, this is a level 1 header. This is a level 2. And this is a level 3. So you can make your homework look nice. You can also look at some of the other resources I provided on how to format R Markdown so that you can make your Python files look really nice when you convert them to HTML. But for the sake of this, we're going to leave that as is, and we're going to come up here to File, Download as HTML. It downloaded the file and saved it into my download folder, and now we have this really nice HTML file. You can see here it's my HTML file. When I open it, it opens it in my browser, but it shows my code, and this makes it easy for me to review. It also shows all of my outputs, so I can see if something doesn't look right, why that might be the case. And then down below in that block, that Markdown block, you can see here's your plain text and the headers that I formatted for demonstration. So that's it. That's all you have to do to get your HTML file for submission.